Hey, you feel scammed by Far From Weak channel. So listen carefully to my words and let's understand what's happened. My son, you are truly right to be disappointed by the movement because someone made a promise to you and then he didn't keep the word. As he would say himself, it's pathetic. And I say, completely wrong. It's very easy to make promises to loyal peoples that trust you, to keep them lured in the channel. Even easier while you hide behind a mask because no one see your face. And once you change your mind, no one can accuse you because they didn't even know who you are. Listen to me, my son, let's make it clear. Far From Weak in the past gave a lot of help to all of us, me included, and for free. It's not wrong to sell the knowledge and the work that you put together with a lot of effort, neither to ask a big quantity of money. Anyone can charge as much as he thinks it value for a product they made. The wrong thing that made you and me upset is the big lie. Far From Weak promised you to give you freedom, and a full guide to became financially independent. He said that it was a gift for you. But he never mentioned the fact that it wasn't coming for free and with high price. That guide is totally exclusive considering the very high access price. Many peoples will be cut out and the dream seems vanished for the majority. So what you can do about it? Listen, you can still rely on your own strength and will to succeed. Never forget the words that Far From Weak shared with us before to do that final mistake. Believe in yourself and invest your time to improve. On YouTube, you find a lot of educational channels that offers free tutorials step by step to start with a Faceless channel. It comes for free and you can learn step by step, cost-free. At least you can see if it's something that you can really do without invest some money in advance. To make it clear, I can even effort to join the program and for me is not a big deal. But I'm very disappointed because I think that he made a wrong move and a big mistake. Luring the people to think about something so precious was coming free for all. If he had told from the beginning, I had nothing to say about. In conclusion, remember the most important thing. You gave him the power subscribing to the channel at the same way you can choose to remove that power from him. Simply pressing a button. Remember that you are still able to change things and give him a clear sign. I'm with you, my son. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below.